Take your deen seriously, Akhi. Return back to Allah before you return back to Him. Return back to the house of Allah, Akhi. This is where the companions used to love to come to. Why? Because they used to see one another in the masjid. The masjid was their comfort. The masjid is where they came and forgot about the worldly desires. How many of us come to the masjid other than the Quran lesson, other than doing madrasa, other than doing Arabic lessons? Come to the masjid, bro. You got issues at home, Akhi, come here. Pray your 2 rak'ah. Establish the Salah. And the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the difference between you and the non-believer is Salah. So for those of you that don't pray, Akhi, let me make it clear to you, bro. I'm not here to call you a kafir. Akhi, reading between the lines. This is something that the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said. You neglect Salah, you leave off Salah, you know you're going to be judged according to what you do, bro. So why are we chasing this dunya? This dunya was designed to break your heart.